It's the 2025 car culture. There's the complete set. For me, this is basically the dud of the series, and the other four are amazing. This one's gonna go down as one of the best Hot Wheels car cultures of all time, and I'm just happy to have one. Sucks that mine has a scratch, but that's just how it is. So anyways, these sold out from wheel collectors probably by now, and people on eBay are wanting, $60 for this set, which is absolutely insane, but years from now this could be literally $100 set carded easy, I'm guessing. But I'll be doing an opening review because I open my cars. Will I regret not having another set to possibly make some money on? Yeah, maybe so, but that's okay. Thanks for watching. Welcome to my channel, Hot Wheels Car Culture Collectors. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the 2025 Hot Wheels Car Culture Silhouettes set of 5, and this is, I think, the best car culture set of 2025, hands down. It is absolutely stunning. The cars are amazing. The paint jobs are awesome. The card art's to die for. I just love this vector style card art. Looks really good. This is the second Hot Wheels Car Culture Silhouettes set of 5. They had the first silhouettes a few years ago, where coincidentally the first RWB Porsche 930 debuted. This is the third Porsche RWB 930 to be produced in the car culture line, and it's the car that everybody wants right now. The RWB Porsche is selling for $30 on eBay, and the Nissan Skyline Super Silhouettes is selling for $16. On eBay, it looks like people are selling full sets for $55. There's one seller that has sold 96 sets of 5. That's insanity. I was lucky enough to pick this up from wheelcollectors.com. They have been selling Hot Wheels and Matchbox and other die-cast vehicles for 10 years. They consistently have good prices, and they always seem to have the latest releases in stock pretty much as soon as possible. And I got a really good deal on this because they were selling this set literally for cost plus shipping, which is literally unheard of. And basically finding this set on the pegs is going to be down near impossible in Southern California, where I am. And to be honest, I was happy to pay $10 for shipping, because honestly I would have spent, half a tank of gas just driving around to a few stores looking for this set, and they wouldn't be on the pegs. Or if they would, all that would be left would be the Mazda RX-7. The RX-7 FC Pandem, in my opinion, is the dud of this set. I think it doesn't belong. Yes, it is a wide body car, but that doesn't make it a silhouettes, in my opinion. I think they should have added another new casting to this set that would have made it a total knockout. And I don't like the lime green metal base on this Pandem RX-7. It looks really cheesy. It should have just been black. I don't know what Hot Wheels was thinking. This is going to be an unboxing, and I will be doing a more in-depth turntable review, so check that out as well. And I will also be doing a separate review possibly on the RWB Porsche 930, comparing all three of the colors, because each one looks totally different. I hope that Hot Wheels continues to produce this car because it's one of the most sought after Hot Wheels castings of recent memory, and I think it looks absolutely awesome as a Hot Wheels car. Definitely totally sweet. So just a little background, the Silhouettes cars are cars that are wide body, so they're wider in the front and the rear. Some of them have swollen arches, some of them have an actual wide body kit, and then because of the wide body kit, these cars have deep dish wheels. The RWB and the McLaren have super fat rear wheels. It's a crazy deep dish. It's a new wheel width, I guess, that Hot Wheels is working with, and it looks absolutely fantastic. I know in the future that this set will appreciate, and this is probably going to be an incredibly sought after Hot Wheels set in a few years' time. But, you know, it is what it is. Anyways, here's a look at the Liberty Walk ER34 Super Silhouette Nissan Skyline. It's got a white metal base, the crazy lip spoiler, the Liberty Walk logos, and it features the livery that is the same as the Hot Wheels Team Transport Liberty Walk with the Nissan R35 Skyline, so it's going to go very well with that transporter as well. And I'm actually not going to slice this all the way, just in case I want to put these back in the package for some reason. It's the moment of truth. Oh yeah. Very nice. Just a little bit of white paint stuck to the wheel there. But the logos all look pretty good. One little spot on the roof. But I don't see any chippage in the lip here. Just a little bit of black tampo missing there. And slight misalignment in the grill, could be up a little farther, but otherwise this is really cool. I love these Rail Rider 5-spoke wheels. Every single car that has these wheels looks absolutely gorgeous. It's just a perfect looking wheel. Hot Wheels just made an awesome Rail Rider wheel with this 5-spoke. It just looks perfect. Very, very nice. That was car number 1. Car number 2 is the Liberty Walks. Oh, here's an error. Interesting. Wow, good job, Hot Wheels. Liberty Works McLaren 720S. I mean, Liberty Works McLaren 720S. I mean, does Hot Wheels, do they not spell check? That's really interesting. Liberty Works McLaren 720S. When it says Liberty Walk right there. Wow, good job, Hot Wheels. Also of note, there's 2 different card styles. This, I think, is the international card with the smaller images of the set versus the North American card. So that's just a little food for thought there. Okay, it's time to open this up. This car features black T37s, and the teal is an absolutely gorgeous color. It'll be interesting to see what other colors this casting will come in, because it's definitely very of the moment with this Liberty Walk. It's got carbon fiber front trunk or frunk tampo. Looks very nice. Pretty realistic considering just little squares painted black and then slightly gray color, but it works. Got the Liberty Walk logo on the side. The 720S logo there is very small. This car has a casting air. Damn. I didn't see that. Interesting. Yeah, it's sharp right there. There's a nick in the base there, that kind of sucks. Anyways, check out the fat meats. I mean, look at that deep dish rim. It's absolutely stunning. It's so hard to look at the quality of these cars when they're in the package. Next up is car number 3, the Nissan 300ZX. It's the race car. It's supposed to be the Calisonic livery. Hot Wheels doesn't have that license, so it just says Nissan and Hot Wheels Racing on it. I love the white 5-spoke wheels. This car will look awesome next to the red version in the Team Transport. All the tampos look good. I don't know why people think that this one isn't worth very much. The one that's not worth anything is the Mazda RX-7. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Oh yeah. Oh wow, this blue is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, this is an amazing car. Holy shit, this set is freaking awesome. This tire is a little bit weird. Huh. This tire, some of them, I wonder if they're put on wrong. You can see this lip, it's really weird. What the hell is that? Mazda RX-7 FC Pandem. It is Colette Davis's car. She is a YouTuber, and this is a collaboration apparently. I would look out for these cars because there's definitely some that have problems. I found one with an air that had tampo missing. The way this pink tampo on the spoiler is done is not very well done. It's like really pixelated. And this car has some kind of a dark spot just below the fog lights. I don't like this green base. I think it's kind of ridiculous. This is the cheapest car in the set. Everyone that's selling it separately, all the private sellers, it's going for really cheap. And I can see why, because it's definitely the dud of the set. Definitely not that desirable, but since I got the whole set. Okay, here's the moment of truth. See how this car is. Alright, let's see what this is. I think it's tampo. A black little fleck in air. houseofpre.com. I kind of like these small wheels. I don't know if that's exactly scale proportionate, but kind of reminds me of a drift car. Saving the best for last, the RWB Porsche 930 in white with bronze TE37s and a gold lip. Wow, what an amazing car. This car right now on eBay, just the single car itself, is selling for $28. Wow, this guy sold 100 of them. Holy crap. So the guy bought 100 cases and then split them up apparently. Holy shit. But it will be a highly sought after casting, that's for sure. Gloss white, and it has text on it that is printed in reverse. Doesn't say Porsche on the back. It just has the taillights. My car has a little black speck on the roof and a speck on the front trunk. So I don't know. I guess we'll see how that looks. But this is definitely a car that it would be nice to have an extra of, because it's definitely going to appreciate in value. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. Okay, it says Kamawaza, Japan, 1048 style. So the problem with buying cars online from different sellers is you don't know the quality of the car. Scuff on the roof. And that's a chip in the paint. What the hell? And that's an error in the casting. There's like a chip in the casting there. Great. That's frustrating. Good old Hot Wheels quality. There's also a rough spot there. What the hell? This is ridiculous. Problem is, you can't see any of this stuff in the package. It's like, I knew there was a spot there, I just thought it was a piece of dirt. I didn't know it was a casting error. Didn't think this was a chip though on the roof, but you can feel it. That's frustrating. This is one of the lowest Hot Wheels cars that's ever been made, this one and this one. So that's crazy stance. But absolutely amazing. Looks really, really nice though. Fortunately, mine has a little bit of an error, but I'm not surprised. I don't know why these cars get scuffed so much on the roof, but overall, it's an amazing set. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the 2025 Hot Wheels Car Culture Silhouettes version 2. If you like this video, you might also like to watch my in-depth turntable review where I go over the details of each car. I will also possibly show other casting color variations of these vehicles so you can get an idea of how they look in different colors, because these cars look completely different in various different colors, so I think that's really cool. You definitely want to pick up this set. I cannot reiterate this enough. This set is probably the best car culture set of 2025. Don't beat around the bush. I would say buy this set now, because in a few years this set is going to appreciate. And looking at prices of previous car culture sets that are incredibly desirable, I could see this set going for at least $100 in, I don't know, 5 to 10 years time. So seriously, don't sleep on this one. It is absolutely gorgeous.